Now, 7 weather with meteorologist Julie Durda.
Well, it's back to school and back to work, but unfortunately the forecast stays the same as what we saw yesterday. We could see some heavy downpours, and since the ground's so saturated already, we could see that possibility of flooding being an issue, especially ponding on the surface streets. So therefore, the National Weather Service has put us all under a flood watch until tonight. There's currently a flood advisory in effect for the lower Keys until 7:45 a.m. They have been dealing with some moderate to heavy rain throughout the last 6 hours. So let's get straight to the radar. We've all been dealing with some rain, but mainly most of the heavy rain, the heavy downpours, the strong winds, and the lightning has been down by the lower Keys. Currently Key West, Saddlebench Key, Big Torch Key, all the way to Marathon, dealing with some moderate to heavy rain. That rain stretches all the way up towards Upper Matacumbe Key. Plantation Key and Key Largo seeing some light rain. Upper Keys with some light rain as well. Southern Miami-Dade starting to dry out just a bit, but we still see an isolated shower over Homestead, as well as Palmetto Bay. Downtown Miami, you can see Miami Beach, as well as North Bay Village dealing with some light to moderate rain. North Miami seeing an isolated shower. Isolated shower over Weston and Pembroke Pines. Mostly dry conditions from North Miami north and towards Fort Lauderdale, which will be a nice little break, but the rain is expected to move in from the south to the north, so we'll see another round of rain throughout the morning and into the afternoon. So grab those umbrellas, you're definitely going to need them. Temperatures are in the upper 70s in Fort Lauderdale, 76 in Miami, 75 in Key West, 74 in Pembroke Pines, and 76 in Kendall. The winds moving in from the east-southeast anywhere between 9 and 14 miles per hour. So this is what's occurring. We have a front lifting to the north that's bringing all the showers and thunderstorms currently over the central and southern half of the state. Northern portions of Florida waking up to clear skies and dry conditions. They have plenty of dry air just north of us. We're going to continue to stay unsettled with our moisture tapping into some tropical moisture from the Gulf of Mexico. That's all associated with an area of low pressure just north of the Yucatan Peninsula. Has a 60% chance of development. National Hurricane Center stating this has become better organized. Some development is possible, so they're also sending out Hurricane Hunter aircraft later on today to investigate. The system is expected to push towards the northeast across portions of Florida in the next couple days. Here is the setup. We have that low we're tracking in the Gulf of Mexico. That will continue to push towards the northeast, causing us to see heavy rain, very gusty winds, and flooding until about Wednesday. Then a cold front stretches into South Florida, clears the area by Wednesday nights. Drier, more comfortable weather will be in the forecast as we end the work week and begin the weekend. So we got to get through the next couple days. Otherwise, we'll be putting those umbrellas away by Thursday. In the tropics, we're also watching an area of low pressure about 1,400 miles east of the Windward Islands with a 10% chance of development. Small craft advisory and a high risk of rip currents. The bay will be rough. Not a great day to be out on the waters. Miami-Dade and Broward as well for you in the Keys. A small craft advisory. Nearshore waters choppy. Highs today in the lower 80s at the coast, mid 80s inland with heavy downpours possible. Lows in the 70s. We'll do it all over again Tuesday and Wednesday. Then that front clears. Drier, more comfortable weather comes into the forecast by the end of the week and into the weekend. Have a great Monday.